Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's sweet video, if you accidentally forgot to use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. All right, all you got to do is open the Uber driver app. At the top of the screen, you're going to see either your picture or 3 lines. Click there. Then you're going to click Earnings. Next, click Help or the question mark, depending on what you see. Click Account and Payment. Then click Referrals. Click Invited Driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click Send a Message. The invite code that you're going to use is JACOBL 17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone number is going to be 307-349-7713. And the email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. Finally, under details, you're just going to put, my friend Jacob referred me to drive for Uber. That's it. Send it in and get your guarantee of up to $1,000 to start driving with Uber. Bow, 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 bow. Everybody rideshare. Hey, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. You're you. This is the Rideshare Hub. You're back with me hanging out, and I'm glad you are because we've got a very informative video for you today. At least I think so. How about this? If you took something away from this, if you think it was informative, give it a thumbs up at the end. Or right now, just because you're a nice person. That's cool. Appreciate it. All right, you guys, hey, let's jump into this thing because I got a long list for you. Buckle up, it's gonna be a ride. Today, we're talking about 20 secrets. They're secrets. They're not gonna be secrets after I give them away. Anyway, 20 secrets that most Uber drivers don't know. What? Let's see if you know all of these, kudos, that'd be awesome. And let me know in the comment section below at the end. All right, here we go. You ready to kick this thing off? Number 1. Most Uber drivers don't know, not most, but some. You can get a retroactive sign-on bonus. What? Yeah, you can. So that means if you signed up before, but you didn't quite follow it through, or you signed up and you didn't use a referral code, you can use one now so you can get a sign-on bonus. Awesome. Those details are in the video description below. Also, number 2, you can drive for both Uber and Lyft. And if you haven't started driving yet, video description also has some links that you can click on and get signed up to start driving for both, and you get those sign-on codes. So sign-on bonuses, retroactive, or for Lyft if you're not driving for both Uber and Lyft. How's that? It's a good start to this video. Oh yeah, also on the note of that, you can drive for Postmates and Uber and Lyft and Uber Eats and what else do we got out there? Grubhub, whatever you want, because you're an independent contractor, so you can drive as much as you want for all those people. You have stickers all up your windshield. It'd be crazy. All right, number 3. You cannot post videos of your passengers without their consent. Can't do it. It's just like any media stuff. You need written consent saying that you can use my face in your YouTube video. So if you want to have like the next hip-hop rideshare YouTube channel where you make up hip-hop songs with your passengers, that'd be pretty cool actually. Freestyling, that's awesome, and you can, but you need to get written consent from your passenger. Number 4, hey, there are more ways to make money while you drive than just driving. Come at me with that info, bro. All right, I will. Stereo, Cargo, Rapify, Play Octopus, Vugo, and Surf. Those are some apps, companies that you can check out. I'm not going to get into those. That'd be a whole nother video. Actually, that's a good idea. That will be another video. But write those down, check them out. You can make money selling things, promoting things in your vehicle while you drive for rideshare. So it's a good way to make some extra money. Also, on that note, I will say that it is a good way, driving is a good way to promote any of your multi-level marketing companies that you might be associated. Me personally, I sell doTERRA essential oils because I'm hippie and cool like that. And also Bocanico CBD oil. It took me a second. Bocanico CBD oil and doTERRA essential oils. So I have pamphlets about those in my back seats. And it's a good place to promote those and talk about those with your passengers. So anyway, these are different ways to make money while you drive. Number 5. Most drivers don't know that the best way to get tips is to have a clean car and create rapport with your passengers. Create rapport means like hit it off with them, have a good conversation. Yeah, good vibes, good chemistry with them. We have videos on that as well, so check those out. All right, number 6, dash cams can be smart, can help your safety, but they are not legal in every state or city, so you need to check your local city or state regulations on those. I think the easiest way to do that is probably through the local DMV. You can check the website out for more information on that, but dash cams, good for safety, but not legal everywhere. And side note, sometimes you have to inform or have a sign that says, "Hey passengers, you're on candid camera." All right. Number 7, it is illegal to block the view of your windshield with a phone mount. So those phone mounts that attach to the windshield, that is illegal. Besides, those are bulky and crappy anyway. Get a magnetic one that you can put on your dashboard. That's what I suggest. Number 8, you need rideshare insurance. Why? Well, rideshare insurance covers you during certain times throughout. I forget. It's like when you're logged on, you're waiting for a ride. Blah. Anyway, rideshare insurance is important to cover all your bases that way, and it's also important to be heads up with your insurance company. That way, if something does happen and they find out that you're a rideshare driver, they'll probably drop you if you didn't inform them beforehand. So, gotta have that rideshare insurance. Number 9. You can't do this one. You can't accept cash for rides. You can for tips. Definitely can for tips, but not for rides. On that note, though, what you can do on the side of promoting yourself, you can create business cards that have your name, contact information, say personal driver, and you can hand those out to your passengers if you do create a good rapport with someone. Or let's say, I actually have this, a business professional in your area that needs airport rides frequently, then they can totally hire you. That's a side thing. You're an independent contractor, so you can do that 100%. And you can set up side deals with people. So yeah, do that. Get some business cards, and if there's people in your area that need rides, take care of them. Number 10. Uber only tracks mileage for trips, but not for all the miles. Okay, so when you're in a trip, so after you pick someone up, take them to their destination, that is all being tracked, but outside of that, it is not. And mileage is a huge tax write-off. I use QuickBooks Self-Employed app, and there's also Mile IQ, and that is tracking your miles as you drive everywhere. And then you can classify those trips into different categories, and then transfer that information while you do your taxes. Anyway, that's how you can keep track of all your mileage, which is important because if you're signed on and you're driving somewhere to pick someone up, or if you're driving to an area for like a sporting event. Let's say there's a sporting event like 10 miles away. but you don't want to get a ride before you get there, those mileage, that's all part of work. So you want to be able to track all your miles, not just the ones while you're in the ride. Big money saver right there. Number 11, no unaccompanied minors are allowed in or around your vehicle ever. Just kidding. They can come around, but they can't get in and get a ride from you. No accompanied minors. Can't give them rides. Anyone under 18 years old. Nah, unless they have an adult with them. Get them out. Or unless you put them in the trunk and no one can see them. Nah, I'm just kidding. Definitely don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. That's a terrible thing to even joke about, really. Number 12. This sucks, but it's true. Passengers sometimes, they leave false reports of you being a crappy driver. Yeah, it happens. So sometimes you got to get in contact with Uber, let them know your side of the story and that it wasn't accurate for whatever reason. But it does happen. That sucks. Come on, people. We're just trying to be nice out there. Live life right. All right, I'm over it. Let's keep going. Number 13. Yeah. If someone leaves their valuables in your vehicle, you can sell those on eBay. No, I'm kidding. You can't do that. But what you can do is you can get in contact with them and you can take it back to them and you can charge them a fee, a reasonable fee, in order to, pay for your time and efforts of taking that back to them. All right, and on the note of valuables, say cell phones, definitely happens. Number 14, if someone leaves their phone in your vehicle, they can remotely turn that off. They can GPS track it and turn it off. And then hopefully get in contact with you and pay you to bring it back to them. Bingo, flamingo. Number 15. Passengers cannot drink alcoholic beverages in your vehicle unless they're willing to chug an entire bottle of Jack Daniels. Wouldn't that be a sight? No, yeah, they just can't drink alcohol in your vehicle. Open container laws. All right, moving on. Yeah, this is a good one. Number 16. This is a good one. This goes along with the passengers leaving false reports. You need to pick up and drop off passengers in safe locations, places where you can make a safe stop without people behind you. So if a passenger is standing on a busy road in the middle of the road, or like at a bus stop, I've had that happen, you just go to the nearest safe spot and call them and tell them, I cannot stop there. That protects you and your safety. And this is where the passenger thing, leaving false reports, can come up sometimes. If you're dropping off a passenger and they want you to drop them off in the middle of a street somewhere, and you take them around the block to a safe location, the closest, nearest location, and they say, my driver extended the ride, wasn't willing to drop me off, blah, blah, blah. It's okay. You do the safe thing. You go to the safe spot to drop them off. Number 17. You cannot pick up passengers just anywhere in the airport. While driving for Uber, you must go to the designated pickup areas. Again, if a passenger calls and they're not in that pickup area, you can say, try and help direct them if you know how to explain it to them. Otherwise, just say, I am here and I will wait for you for the 5 minutes. And then if they don't show up, cancel that, or don't cancel it. Put them down as a no-show and get that no-show fee. What else? Number 18. Oh, yeah. If things are slow and you start driving around, you're missing out on rides. Just stay put. This goes back to having both apps, Uber and Lyft. If it is slow, it's good to have both. But hang out in your area, or if there's a more populated area nearby, just hang out there. Keep your apps on. You'll miss out on rides driving around, and you'll giving away that gas money. Number 19. If a passenger has the address wrong, their destination wrong, put it on them to change it. They can. How did I put this? They're capable of, they can and should change the destination in their phone. And if they can't figure it out, then pull over the quickest place that you can. Pull over, stop, and teach them how to change it in their app. Don't do it for them. Don't do it while you're driving. Put it on them. And if they have a problem like, well, we're wasting time sitting here. First of all, they're hardly paying anything for time. We don't make diddly on time driving. So you can tell them that. And it is their responsibility. Whew! All right. Dang, you guys. Number 20. We made it to the end. I'm feeling winded. You've heard me for too long. But this is a big one, another money-saving one. You should look out for these coupons for both oil changes and for car washes. A lot of car washes do membership deals. Those are great because you could just go at the end of every day, go through quick, and then a lot of them have vacuums, quick vacuum. Keep your car looking clean all the time. That'll help with tips. And then oil changes, because there's so many places looking for business. You can check any flyers that you get in the mail, Groupon. You can Google search oil change deals. I guarantee you can always find a deal on those, and I go around to all sorts of different locations so that I can get those oil change deals. You can save a lot of money on that. So I saved 15% on auto oil changes by switching to coupons. That didn't land as well as I was hoping it would. All right, you guys, there you go. Whew! 20 facts most Uber drivers don't know. If you took anything away from this video, again, big thumbs up. Feel free to share it with other Uber drivers. You're all awesome. You're all cool. Keep smiling. Make that money. Drive safe. I'll see you guys next time.